So all day I've been down here struggling with audio. It helps to make sure that your recorder is on the right channel, but the YouTube struggles. The struggle is real. Anyway, today we're going to talk about what I use to clean my motorcycle. Welcome back, guys. Tony here. Today we're just going to talk about the products that I use to clean my motorcycle. I've had a lot of people ask me about it, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Shouldn't hopefully not be very long, but you never know. So let me kind of tell you what my ritual is. When I go out on a ride, on the way home, I always stop and I fill up my tank. And when I get home, I wipe the bike down with a quick detailer just to get the bugs and the grime and the dirt off. So I hardly ever take a hose to my bike and actually wash it unless it's really, really crusty. If I was out on a really dirty, dusty ride and I came back and the bike is just filthy, then I will go that route. But all the stuff that I'm going to talk about today is going to be listed in the description below. I'm going to have links to my Amazon storefront. It's going to have everything that I use on there: cleaning products, motorcycle parts, camera gear, whatever. It's all going to be listed there. So if you want to check any of that stuff out, just click the link in the description below. So for everyday cleaning, this is what I use. Wizards. It's a great product. I've used a lot of different ones, and this is by far my favorite. It comes in a lot of different flavors. So if you have denim paint, they make one for denim paint. This happens to be for gloss paint because I have a gloss bike. For you black gloss bike owners out there, you guys know about the micro swirls. They're pretty obvious in the black paint out in the sun. This is a product that I use. Now, you probably get it on Amazon, but I pick it up at Walmart. It is the Turtle Wax Jet Black Detailer. You can tell the top of it's broken off because I use it quite a bit. But this really helps with this product to help get those black micro swirls out of the paint. It's not perfect, but it does a pretty good job. I use this quite a bit also. Wizards also makes a bike wash that I use. So basically what this is, you hose the bike down, spray this all over it, and the dirt usually just falls right off. No problem. If it's really bad, you might need to hit it with a rag and wipe it down, but usually just this with water is more than sufficient to get your bike clean. I can't harp enough of how much I like this Wizard stuff. And for all you wrinkle black motor owners out there, the best thing I found for that, this you have to go to the Harley dealer for, is the Harley Davidson, if it'll focus, engine brightener. This stuff is fantastic on wrinkle black motors. When that thing starts graying up and it, you know, they get a little, I don't know what the right word to use, but they get a little gray looking. This stuff brings them right back to new. And actually, I think once when you use this, they look better than new. It's just spray it on, let it set for a few minutes, and wipe off the excess. And man, that engine looks fantastic. The other thing I use a lot of is I go to Home Depot, probably get these on Amazon too, is I use paint rags to clean the bike with. They're lint-free. They don't hold dust and dirt like microfiber does, which can scratch your paint if that thing gets loaded up. These don't do that. They're cheap. They're inexpensive. Get done with them. You just toss them out. The other thing people ask me about is how do I get in the nooks and crannies and into the engine, and you know these spots. You know, your fingers just, they won't fit in there, and you can't get anything in there. I just get creative, guys. I use toothbrushes. I'll take a flathead screwdriver and wrap this towel around it and try to get it in there where I can't reach. I'll use mechanics picks, anything slim and long. Should have reworded that. But anything small enough to get in to what you're trying to get into, I'll just wrap a rag around it and get it in there. And just do the best you can. If it's really crusty and you can't do it, best thing, you know, that I do with that situation is get out the hose and hit it with the hose and some cleaner and maybe a scrub brush. Sometimes you can get in there and get it done, but I don't know. At this point, I'm just rambling on. That's kind of the stuff that I use. Like I said, I'll link it in the description below. Not a very long video, just a quick one. Like I said, I had a lot of questions and comments about it. I thought I'd tell everybody at once. There it is, guys. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. It should be right over here somewhere. I really would appreciate it. And like always, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in and letting me waste your time. And ride safe and be careful out there. Until next time. Later.